In time and on time. When do we use in time and when do we use on time? Do they mean the same thing? Not exactly. On time. We use on time when there is a specific time, a given time for something to happen. So for example, you ought to meet someone at 5 p.m. and then you showed up at 5 p.m. You came on time, on the given time, on time, 5 p.m. exactly, 5 p.m. you came on time. Now, we use in time when there is a given duration of time, there is a deadline. There is a deadline. For example, the assignment is to be submitted within the next 2 weeks. You are in time when you are early enough. You are in time when you are not late. You would be out of time if you submit after the given period of time. So, we use on time when something happens at the exact time, at a given time. I submitted in time. In other words, I submitted just before the deadline. I came on time means I came at the given time, at the specific time. That's the difference between the two. Now you know. Bye for now.